Welcome to the second module of our CapCut video editing series. Now, in this very module, I'll be showing you how to create a new project in CapCut and also how you can import your media files right into this application. Of course, you need to open your CapCut software and then you come to this tab right here, this big bold blue button right here where you have create project. So the first thing we're going to do right here is to rename our project. So right here where you have this default naming notation, I'm going to change it and I'm going to give it, let me just say, you can give it any module, any title of your choice. I'm just going to call it model 2, import media files into media files, like that, and hit enter. Let's import our videos into CapCut, our media files into CapCut. Now, so in order to import your files into CapCut, all you need to do is to click this import button right here, and then it takes you to where you have the files you want to edit. So I'm just going to go into, let me import this file. All right, so I can also import pictures. All right, so let's say I want to import this picture. I bring it into my interface. Right, I can also import audio files as well, right? So I can just go into, click once again the import tab and go to where you have your audio files, right? And let me just go with this one. Right, so I have successfully imported 3 sets of files here: a video, an image, and of course an audio file. Right, so in order to start editing, I'm going to drag them right here. This is where I have my timeline right here. So this is where where I'm going to do the editing proper, right here. So I'm going to drag, I can click this to bring it into my timeline. As you can see right here, I've successfully imported or added the video file to my timeline. I can also do the same for the picture, so I can bring it right here, can put it on top or bring it down here. Now I can also add the audio file. I can add the audio file right underneath the video file right here. So this is how you can import your media files right into your CapCut software. So if you found this useful, you know what to do: like, share this video, and of course subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the other videos in this CapCut video editing series. So in the next module, I will be walking you through the different tools and menus and features we have in our CapCut video editing software. So stick around for that video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next module.